All right, so for this one, we need to consider what shape is formed, what three-dimensional object is formed when we rotate this about the axis as shown. So if you move this all the way around and you think about it being pinned right here, and then you spin it all the way around, it's going to create this type of a shape. The bottom is pointed because it's a little triangle on the bottom there. So when you spin it, it's going to look like this. And that does actually give you, here's the center where that axis would go through. And that does actually give you an upside down cone. So that's why it would say cone there. And this one's a little harder to visualize just because if you're thinking of a cone, you would probably think that it would look like this, which it can. But it can also look the way it does in this example, and it's still a cone. So just remember that one. And then this one says, which figure shows how a shape can be rotated about an axis to form the given object? So notice that this is a hollow cylinder. So it's almost like a pipe of some sort. In order to form that, you would need just a thin rectangle spaced out from the axis. That's what creates the hollow. The space between the object and the axis is what creates a hollow image. So when we rotate that around, it does in fact give us this exact hollow cylinder. This one would give you some sort of basically a ring. That's just a circle that would be rotated around. It would give you a ring. This would give you just a normal cylinder that's not hollow. And then this would give you a hollow ring. When you rotate it around, it would be like a donut, but it would have a hole in the center. All the way through around the ring. So that's what you would see with each of those, but that first one is going to be what will form this hollow cylinder that we see there.